Have you ever wondered why so many ships and planes mysteriously disappear in a specific region of the Atlantic Ocean? This region, known as the Bermuda Triangle, has been a source of intrigue and speculation for decades. Stretching from the southern tip of Florida to the islands of Bermuda and then to Puerto Rico, this imaginary triangle has been dubbed the Devil's Triangle due to its infamous reputation. The Bermuda Triangle's enigma is not a recent phenomenon. Its mystery dates back to the time of Christopher Columbus, who reportedly experienced strange compass readings and saw unusual lights in the area. However, it was only in the mid-20th century that the Bermuda Triangle gained widespread attention. Among the numerous incidents associated with this region, some stand out due to their peculiar circumstances. Take, for instance, the case of Flight 19. In December 1945, 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers, collectively known as Flight 19, embarked on a routine training mission over the Bermuda Triangle. The aircraft, along with their 14 crew members, vanished without a trace. Despite extensive search efforts, no wreckage or bodies were ever recovered. Another notable incident involves the USS Cyclops, a massive supply ship that served in the U.S. Navy during World War I. In March 1918, the Cyclops, carrying over 300 crew members and a full cargo of manganese ore, set sail from Barbados to Baltimore. The ship never reached its destination, and no distress signal was ever received. The disappearance of the Cyclops remains the single largest loss of life in U.S. naval history, not directly involving combat. These are just two of the many mysterious cases that have cemented the Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a place where normal rules and explanations seem not to apply. But what makes this region so notorious? Could there be rational explanations behind these incidents? Let's delve deeper into the enigma of the ocean, the Bermuda Triangle. Before we dive into the theories, let's separate fact from fiction. The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, is infamous for the mysterious disappearances of aircraft and ships. But how much of this infamy is rooted in reality? Let's start with the number of reported incidents. While it's true that there have been numerous disappearances within the boundaries of the Bermuda Triangle, the number isn't significantly higher than in any other heavily trafficked part of the world's oceans. When we consider the volume of traffic passing through this area, the number of incidents becomes less ominous. It's also worth noting that many of the disappearances attributed to the Bermuda Triangle occurred during periods of severe weather, a common and lethal risk for any maritime or aviation journey. Now, let's address the exaggerations. It's often claimed that the Bermuda Triangle is the site of an unusually high number of disappearances, but this isn't entirely accurate. The U.S. Board on Geographic Names doesn't recognize the Bermuda Triangle as an official name and does not maintain an official file on the area. The U.S. Coast Guard, too, does not identify this area as particularly hazardous or possessing a higher incidence of disappearances. There's also the myth that compasses go haywire within the triangle. While it's true that a small area within the Bermuda Triangle has one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align, this is not exclusive to the Bermuda Triangle and is not known to cause navigational difficulties. So, what's the verdict? The Bermuda Triangle is certainly a region of heavy maritime and air traffic. It has seen its share of tragedies like many other regions of the world's oceans. However, the actual facts don't support the idea that it's a hotspot for unexplained disappearances. Knowing the facts, it seems that the Bermuda Triangle isn't as dangerous as it is often portrayed. Or is it? As we continue our journey, we'll delve deeper into the theories that attempt to explain the unsolved mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. Could science offer us answers to the Bermuda Triangle mystery? Let's delve into some theories that attempt to shed light on this enigma. Firstly, let's consider the theory of methane hydrates. Deep beneath the ocean floor, pockets of methane gas are trapped within a crystal structure of water, forming a substance known as methane hydrates. If disturbed, these hydrates can cause a massive gas eruption, reducing the density of water. Imagine a ship sailing right above at that moment. It would be like trying to float on air. The ship would sink instantly, leaving no trace behind. Moving on to our second theory, rogue waves. These are massive, unexpected, and suddenly appearing waves that can easily engulf a ship or even a plane flying low. Rogue waves in the Bermuda Triangle could be the result of intersecting weather patterns or undersea landslides. These monstrous waves could swiftly come and go, leaving no evidence of their existence, much like the disappearing vessels and aircraft. Lastly, let's discuss magnetic anomalies. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This can cause navigational confusion and may lead to catastrophic errors. Could this explain why so many vessels lose their way in the triangle? Science certainly provides us with plausible explanations. However, it's important to remember that these theories are just that, theories. They're based on our current understanding and interpretation of the natural world. While methane hydrates could explain the sudden and untraceable sinking of ships, they don't account for the disappearance of aircraft. Rogue waves, too, could swallow ships whole, but would they reach high enough to pull down a plane? And magnetic anomalies, while they might cause navigational errors, do they have the power to make a vessel or aircraft vanish without a trace? While these theories may explain some incidents, they don't account for all. Is there a possibility of paranormal activity? The Bermuda Triangle mystery continues to intrigue and baffle us. Stay tuned as we venture into the realm of the paranormal in our next segment. For those who love a good mystery, the Bermuda Triangle has plenty to offer. Now let's delve into the otherworldly, the inexplicable, the paranormal theories that surround this enigmatic patch of ocean. These are the tales that ignite our imagination, the stories that defy logic and reason. They are the whispers of the unknown, the echoes of the unexplained. First, we turn our gaze to the stars, where the theory of alien abductions takes root. There are those who believe that extraterrestrial beings are responsible for the numerous disappearances within the Bermuda Triangle. They suggest that the region serves as a portal or a hotspot for alien activity. Some even put forth the idea that these otherworldly visitors are conducting experiments or collecting specimens from our planet. Then there's the concept of time warps. This theory posits that the Bermuda Triangle is a rift in the fabric of time and space. Ships and planes, they say, don't vanish but are transported to a different time or dimension. The proponents of this theory point to the numerous accounts of pilots and sailors experiencing strange phenomena, like sudden weather changes or navigational equipment going haywire. Finally, we arrive at the lost city of Atlantis. Some theorize that the Bermuda Triangle is the final resting place of this legendary civilization. They argue that the advanced technology of Atlantis could be creating magnetic anomalies that cause compasses to malfunction and engines to fail. The underwater structures found near Bimini, also known as the Bimini Road, are often cited as potential evidence of this ancient city. These theories, while fascinating, lack scientific evidence. So where does that leave us? The Bermuda Triangle continues to be a source of intrigue, a playground for the imagination. The absence of concrete answers only adds to its allure. It's a reminder that there are still mysteries in our world that are yet to be explained, phenomena that reach beyond the confines of our understanding. After exploring the facts and theories, can we finally solve the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle? As we've journeyed through the enigma of the ocean, delved into the facts, examined the science, and even dared to venture beyond into the realm of the paranormal, we find ourselves back at the question that has tantalized the minds of many for decades. The Bermuda Triangle, that infamous stretch of the Atlantic Ocean, bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has long been the subject of intrigue and speculation. Its reputation as a devourer of ships and planes has sparked countless theories, some rooted in science, others in the supernatural. We've learned that the triangle is not unique in its incidents. Other oceanic regions around the globe have witnessed similar disappearances and strange occurrences. Many of these can be attributed to natural phenomena like rogue waves, methane hydrates, and even magnetic anomalies that can play havoc with navigational equipment. Human error, too, cannot be discounted. The vast, treacherous expanse of the sea, coupled with unpredictable weather conditions, can prove challenging even for the most seasoned mariners and aviators. But does this unravel the mystery? Well, in part, yes. The scientific explanations do offer a logical conclusion for many of the incidents. They provide a comforting anchor of rationality in a sea of eerie tales and speculation. Yet, the Bermuda Triangle continues to bewitch us, its enigma undiminished. For every incident explained, another emerges, shrouded in mystery, fueling the narratives that have transformed this geographical location into a symbol of the unknown, and perhaps that is the allure of the Bermuda Triangle. The blend of fact and fiction, the interplay of science and the supernatural, and the tantalizing possibility of something, anything, beyond our understanding. While science provides us with plausible explanations for most incidents, the Bermuda Triangle will continue to intrigue us with its enduring mystery.